Welcome back, everybody, and here we are on our final video for Chapter 3, Video 4. When we left off, we were talking about the post-closing trial balance. And here, again, I want to emphasize that you do not see any income statement accounts or dividend accounts on the post-closing trial balance. That's one of the first things you look for. The second thing that you look for is, does the post-closing trial balance balance? Do the debits equal the credits? And of course they do in this case. So the very last thing we do, and we will go from there to this concept check. Which of the following accounts would you find on a post-closing trial balance? Well, I'm going to look for the ones that are permanent accounts. And the only one that I see on there that's a permanent account is answer Bravo, retained earnings. And the remember that dividends, expenses, and revenues have all been closed again during the closing process and will not be on the post-closing trial balance. Okay, that ends Chapter 3. But before I leave this subject, I want to make sure you know I've included in announcements a couple of useful spreadsheets in Excel. I call this the supplemental butterfly, you'll never guess why, worksheet. And it goes through the closing entries. But in this case, we do use the income summary account, and then we close the income summary account to retained earnings here. So I want you to have an understanding, at least a little bit, of how that works. Okay? Also in announcements, I have another spreadsheet which hopefully will help you with the 5 different kinds of accruals. And here they all are. We have the 5 that were discussed in the PowerPoint, but in this case you can go along the tabs and check that as well. I call this the supplemental illustration of accruals. So those will be available for you in the announcements. Okay, when we come back, we'll start again with Chapter 4. And until that time, bye for now.